LED CMB3619-67 Ba15S Led 9 versatile automotive LED application, designed for a wide range of vehicle and industrial lighting needs, including jogger LED, position lights, side marker light, reading light, industrial machinery and marine signals. An ideal LED replacement for conventional 10W incandescent bulbs. Non-polarity and wide voltage compatibility. Built with a Ba15S single contact base and non-polarity design. This LED is compatible with 12 to 30 VDC input, ensuring easy, error-free installation without needing to distinguish power, direction, broad application range, turn signal light, reverse light, tail light, brake light, corner light, side marker light, parking light, emergency light, industrial equipment warning light, marine signal light. Performance and reliability. Output power is 0.75 W. Luminous Flux up to 55 lumens. Beam angle 30 focus light. Lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Product dimensions. Width 18 mm. Length 36 mm. Check before ordering. Please confirm the bulb size and voltage requirement in your vehicle, manual or from the original bulb marking. Avoid using power sources beyond rated voltage to prevent damage.